When people think of Brazil, they imagine samba rhythms, carnival parades, and endless beaches. But this country is much more than music and football. Brazil's geography is as diverse and breathtaking as any place on Earth, from the world's mightiest river to a desert of sand dunes and islands that look like they belong in another world. Today we're diving into 10 fascinating geographical facts that will make you see Brazil in a whole new light. So let's start our journey through the land of contrasts and surprises. The Amazon River is not just a river. It's an artery of life that runs through the heart of Brazil. Stretching over 6,400 kilometers, it's the second longest river in the world, but by volume, it's the largest. In fact, it carries more water than the next 7 biggest rivers combined. The river basin covers an area nearly the size of the continental United States and is home to more species of plants and animals than anywhere else on Earth. For countless indigenous communities, it's not just a waterway, it's a lifeline, providing food, transport, and connection to the outside world. The Amazon rainforest sprawls across 9 countries, but Brazil claims the largest share, about 60% of it. This vast green ocean of trees produces 20% of the world's oxygen and plays a critical role in regulating the planet's climate. Scientists estimate it holds over 390 billion individual trees, many of which are still unknown to science. But beyond the statistics, the forest feels alive in every sense, buzzing, humming, rustling with hidden life. And while deforestation threatens its future, it remains one of the most awe-inspiring landscapes on Earth. Southwest Brazil is home to the Pantanal, the largest tropical wetland in the world, covering an area larger than England. This watery wonderland bursts with wildlife: jaguars, anacondas, hyacinth macaws, and more than 650 species of birds. During the rainy season, up to 80% of the floodplains are submerged, creating a paradise for birdwatchers and nature lovers. Unlike the dense Amazon, the Pantanal's open landscapes make spotting wildlife easier, offering some of the most spectacular safaris outside of Africa. Straddling the border between Brazil and Argentina, Iguazu Falls is not just one waterfall, but 275 separate cascades stretching across nearly 3 kilometers. Taller than Niagara Falls and almost twice as wide, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's been called one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. The roar is so loud you can feel it in your chest, and the mist rises like smoke from a giant's cauldron. Locals say that once you've seen Iguazu, all other waterfalls pale in comparison. At first glance, Lençóis Maranhenses looks like a desert, endless waves of pure white sand stretching to the horizon. But in the rainy season, something magical happens. Freshwater lagoons form between the dunes, creating hundreds of shimmering blue and green pools. This unique landscape, covering 1,500 square kilometers, is a protected national park and one of Brazil's most surreal sights. It's a reminder that in Brazil, even deserts are full of surprises. Brazil boasts over 7,400 kilometers of Atlantic coastline, dotted with more than 2,000 beaches. From the urban buzz of Rio's Copacabana to the wild beauty of Fernando de Noronha's hidden coves, there's a stretch of sand for every kind of traveler. The coastline isn't just about tourism. It supports vibrant fishing communities and some of the richest marine biodiversity in the South Atlantic. It's a place where the ocean isn't just scenery, it's a way of life. Rising dramatically where Brazil meets Venezuela and Guyana, Mount Roraima is one of the world's most striking geological formations. Its sheer cliffs and flat summit inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel The Lost World. The plateau is so isolated that many of its plants and animals are found nowhere else. Waterfalls pour off its edges into the clouds below, making it look like a floating island from a fantasy film. For the indigenous Pemon people, it's a sacred place, the home of gods and creation myths. About 350 kilometers off Brazil's northeast coast lies Fernando de Noronha, an archipelago of volcanic islands and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Strict visitor limits keep the ecosystem pristine, home to dolphins, sea turtles, and some of the clearest waters on Earth. Divers come from all over to explore its coral reefs and underwater caves. On land, the rugged cliffs and golden beaches look untouched by time, offering a glimpse of what tropical paradise might have looked like before human footprints. Chapada Diamantina National Park in the state of Bahia is a treasure trove of caves, plateaus, and hidden waterfalls. Its name means Diamond Plateau, a nod to the diamond rush that once brought fortune seekers here. Today, it's better known for its breathtaking hikes, like the trail to Cachoeira da Fumaça, a waterfall that plunges 340 meters. Underground, caves like Poco Encantado glow with an otherworldly blue light when the sun hits the water at just the right angle. Near the city of Manaus, two massive rivers, the dark Rio Negro and the sandy-colored Solimões, meet but don't mix for nearly 6 kilometers. The reason? Differences in temperature, speed, and density keep the waters separate, creating a striking natural boundary. Eventually, they merge to form the mighty Amazon River, but not before putting on one of the most unique river displays in the world. From towering waterfalls to endless rainforests, from wetlands teeming with life to dunes that hide lagoons, Brazil is a land of astonishing variety. Its geography shapes not only its landscapes, but its culture, its wildlife, and its future. Every corner tells a different story, and together they form one of the richest natural tapestries on Earth. If you enjoyed this journey through Brazil's wonders, hit that like button, subscribe for more world-spanning adventures, and click the bell so you never miss a story. Thanks for watching, and até logo!